Hello my kings and queens. So this hairstyle is for those of you that have box braids or twists and it's time to take it down, but you have no time to do it at the moment. As you guys know, my daughter, I recently did a hairstyle with box twist, and it was really time to take her hair down, but I had some things to do and I had no time to take it down or wash her hair at the moment. So as you can see, it really needed to be taken down. So what you want to do is you want to spray your scalp with a spray that helps reduce the itching. I like the mango and lime spray. It has like that cool effect on your scalp. So I sprayed like a generous amount on her scalp just to help reduce the itching until I'm able to take her hair down and wash it. Again, this hairstyle is not intended for you to keep it on for a long time. So I love this gel. I use this product to help just make the twist look a little better for their hairstyle that I want to do. I applied on the twist and I started to kind of retwist or curl the hair in the direction where I did the twist. Some people twist to the left, some to the right. I don't really have a preference. What I also did is I parted her hair in half. As you know, it's not going to be perfect because you have box braids, so you kind of want to distribute the hair evenly to each side. And here I started to braid her twist. My goal was to have two unique and cute looking cornrows. I secured each cornrow with a rubber band and then I clipped the end. And here you have my results. I think it's cute. I think it's a hairstyle that you can go out and you can have it in for maybe 1 or 2 days and then take it down until you can wash your hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.